Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the curtain walls. So those are the curtain walls that we created, and it will be our window. And before we fix that, what I want to do is to add our roof first so that we could extend anything that we need to extend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to our south elevation, and from our south elevation we're going to create our roof. So I'm gonna click on right here, roof drop down, and then roof by extrusion. So we're gonna pick a plane, and we're just going to choose this plane right here in front of our wall right here. And then we're gonna press OK. And here what we can do is we could edit this, duplicate, and we're gonna put roof number 1. And let's edit this, make it 200, and change this to one of our white material right here. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this and then duplicate selected material, click apply, OK, and then press OK. So now we're going to create this, something like this. We could lower it down a little bit because I want this to be the lower, so the smallest one. And then we could just, I believe the way this one works is you could just create the line and it will create that roof right there. And then after that, we're going to extend all of this to the roof. And then we're gonna add another one, same thing. So we're gonna CS on this, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this wall again, press OK, and let's add this one, a bigger one, or a taller one, and it will look like that. We could go over this and select finish, and then here let's extend it a little bit more, and then we're just going to have this one flat here so that we can see the difference of our roof right here. And then we could go back to 3D, and even we could go to our level 2 or level 3, and we could see extend this one. So let's go underlay, and then let's see level 2 so that we could see how this one will form. So now we're just going to fix this, push it to where we want. If you want to see it more, we have to change our view range, and we need to make this one a little bit higher in offset, or even unlimited. Okay, so now that we have it like that, we could extend some of the walls. So here we could extend this except for the ones that we have here. You can click here and then select So you could go individually to those walls and then attach it at the top. And then here in the middle, we need to clean up this part right here. So let's go to our south elevation. We have level 3 here. I'm just going to add CO, another one. This is just to add the roof. So here we could just put maybe top roof, or we could just leave it as level 4. And then go right here. If we go to create this plan, this floor plan, we could create the level 4. And the problem with this is we cannot see what's down there. So we need to change the underlay again. And then here, at least we have a visual of what is not covered. And then here, what I'm planning to do is create a wall. So an exterior wall. I'm gonna use exterior wall number 1, and then select this one right here, and then just create it in the middle, and then we could just fix it. I'm gonna put level 4 to level 3. Sorry, this one should be the other way around. So this one level 3, and then this one top constraint to level 4, but we're basically going to change this. So align it in front, AL, align it at the side, AL, align it right here. And then we will be able to manipulate the height now to something like this. So align it, AL, and then we just need to cover a roof at the top. Of course, there's some spots that needs to be changed. So something like that, you can just push out, and then here we need to edit this out as well. The ones that are here, it needs to go all the way to the top. I'm going to click on this wall and then align it at the top. So that's easy there, but we need to edit a little bit on this side. So we need to go on this part right here, pull it out, this one, CS, I think here, just going to align it so it's easier to align it, and then to create another one. Delete this one right here. CS, and then just select it right there, and it will be connected. There we go. We just need to clean this up. And then create a flat roof there. I'm just working on cleaning this up. For some reason it's not joining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join them. I'm just gonna force them to join. There we go. So that's good enough for me. And then of course I want to create the roof. So let's go and select the roof, and then I'm just going to uncheck define slope, and then cover this up. Go to 3D, and then here we could just offset this to the negative. So negative probably 2000. Align it to the top here, and then we could just edit the footprint. Push this one all the way back, move this one all the way to the wall, and basically just cleaning up. And then I'm just gonna put a notch there. Edit the footprint. And then trim and extend. And then let's see how it looks, and I like it. That gives that nice vibe there. I wanted to push this back to have that separation. I think I'm gonna push this back. So I'm gonna push it up to here. There we go. For some reason it's going all the way up. So let me push it back first. Then I'm going to align it. There we go, align it. And then now we can see the separation much cleaner. And here, that's fine, that's good enough. And then we could make this an arc instead. So go to north elevation and then edit the profile, and we could basically increase it or make it high enough, remove constraint, and then arc this. Not arc, but make this an angle. And then cut geometry, and then we're good with that. I'm gonna change this to shaded so that we could see much better. And then here we could just select this. Select the wall. And attach it at the top. I think that's good enough there. Then I'm going to align this one. I'm going to edit this again. Now it's much better. Everything is covered. And then we have this one right here. Of course, I'm gonna push it all the way down. And then this one as well. I'm going to align it. Basically going to change it to consistent color. It's easier with the eye, so, and then this one to fine. And then because of that, we need to change this one as well. I'm going to my south elevation and then edit the profile. I'm going to maximize the height, something like that, remove constraint, and then angle it. This one as well. Edit. Remove constraint on that, and then trim and extend. And of course, we need to push it. Try to just grab this. I think that's good enough. Of course, we need that space there, and then the house looks like this now. I think at least I want this one to go like this, and then instead of this one I want the rectangular or the pipe. I think the pipe is much better. So I'm gonna change it to pipe, and even the one in right here, and then the pipe is already changed, and I want it to be rectangular, so I'm going to change this to rectangle. So you just need to change all of this. Click apply and then OK, and then it will change on all of that. You can change this one as well, the booleans, and then let's edit this one, the baluster. And then we don't want round, we want square. Click apply and then OK. And then lastly, let's change the handrail. So the top rail, we need to change that as well. So that looks much better. It looks more modern. So now that it's done, I just want to click some of this and attach it to the roof. Some of them I cannot select because it will go all the way up, and if it will all go all the way up here. So let's see if it's gonna cut. No, it's not gonna cut. It's just going to go right here. We could just change this part right here, so there's two walls like that. You can basically edit the profile. Actually, it's gonna be a lot of work because we need to cut this, so let's do it like right now. We'll be able to cut this now, I believe right here. So I'm gonna cut it by you going to modify, and then here split element. I'm gonna split element there, and then we have one right here. So we're not gonna go all the way. So here now we could just attach it and join element, not that one, this one instead. We have still that notch there that we could clean up later on, but I'm just showing you how to do it so that it doesn't it's not going to be hard for you guys to figure out how. So at least we're able to just go all the way to that point, and then just a simple nudging, we'll be able to go cleanly on this side. There we go. and then this part as well. And then of course you just need to move this to the same location that you did. So now it's completely right there. So that's good right there. I'm happy. We could also pull this one back all the way at the top. Going to attach it there, and then go to our north elevation. Push this one on this side. I don't want it to be all the way. Push it right here, and then edit the profile as well, so that we could just add this. So trim and extend. And then just click finish, and then let's see it in 3D so that we could see much better. And then I'm just going to edit this path right here. I'm just going to delete this because we want to add something right here in the wall, like the covering on this part. Maybe not anymore on this part. We could just put the height right here. I think that's good enough in the view. I'm just eyeballing it. This one, it's wrap around, and then here we could close it off. But we have this nice looking roof right here. We could push it a little bit backwards so that we have that leveling type right there, and then this one as well, so that it's just covering, the purpose is just covering this balcony. This one is too much as well, so I'm just gonna push it back a little bit, and then we could just make this same or align to this part right here. I could wrap it around all the way here if I want to. I think that's a good idea as well. Or just simple L shape like this one. I could just remove this as well. So here I could attach it to the floor. Like that. I think that's good enough. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.